Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 13 coolest gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Screen Bar Color Adjustment Lamp. The Screen Bar Halo offers a seamless, wireless, intelligent control system, allowing you to easily adjust brightness and color temperature for any scenario. With 3 distinct light modes, front, rear, or both, you can customize the lighting to your preference. Its space-saving design features a secure clip that fits monitors ranging from 0.71 centimeters to 5.99 centimeters thick, eliminating the need for screws or tape. The built-in ambient light sensor automatically adjusts the brightness to 500 lux, ensuring optimal lighting without screen reflections. Number 2. Dual Touch Portable Monitor. The Hotjet Triple Monitor is the perfect solution for Windows system users, offering easy setup with just a USB-C cable for a 3-screen workstation. Each screen can be independently adjusted for brightness and RGB settings. Featuring true plug-and-play functionality, it requires no drivers or apps. Its versatile design includes a rotatable upper screen for 360 degrees, sharing a lightweight frame and support for multiple modes. With a 1080p FHD display and ergonomic adjustments, it ensures a seamless, productive experience anywhere. Number 3. EGO 56V Cordless Leaf Blower. The EGO cordless blower features a powerful turbo button delivering 650 CFM and speeds up to 180 miles per hour with a tapered nozzle attached, making it perfect for tough tasks. It offers up to 90 minutes of runtime with the included 56V 5.0 ARC lithium battery. The variable speed dial lets you adjust from 225 to 470 CFM with a lock-on button for effortless control. With a high-efficiency brushless motor, IPX4 weather-resistant construction, and a low 64 dB noise level, it's a versatile and reliable tool for all seasons. Compatible with all EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries. Number 4. Vintage Bluetooth Alarm Speaker. Introducing the Gincerto YF0242 Retro Transparent Bluetooth Speaker. With a sleek plastic design, this portable speaker features a high-res sound mode for crisp, clear audio. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.1, it supports wireless play up to 10 meters and includes a built-in microphone for convenient communication. The 800 mAh battery ensures hours of playback, while the TF card support allows for versatile music options. Ideal for home use, this compact speaker delivers both style and functionality. Number 5. Mini 4K Camera Drone. The 4DRC HD camera drone is designed with beginners and kids in mind, featuring easy-to-use functions like HD video capture, altitude hold, headless mode, 3D flip, 1-key takeoff and landing, and trajectory flight. It comes with 3 removable, chargeable batteries, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time. With 3 speed modes to gradually improve your flying skills, its pocket-sized design and ultra-bright LED lights make it perfect for on-the-go fun. Built with a non-toxic, soft plastic outer case, it provides added security and protection for both the drone and users. Number 6. Precision Electric Screwdriver Kit. The E1NEX all-in-one workstation is a precision repair kit inspired by the Magic Keyboard, featuring heritage elements like leather mats and a vivid bit-shaped logo. With an electric precision screwdriver, it cuts repair time in half, offering dual torque settings and a manual gear for ultimate versatility. Its magnetic design keeps tools organized and secure, while 64 precision drill bits and 12 electronic maintenance tools make it adaptable for any gadget. A perfect gift for DIY enthusiasts and gadget lovers. Number 7. Camrui AK1 Plus Mini PC. The Camrui AK1 Plus Mini Desktop is a compact powerhouse designed for commercial use. Powered by an Intel N95/N100 processor, It delivers reliable performance for your daily tasks. With 16 gigabytes of memory and a 512 gigabytes hard drive, it offers ample storage and smooth multitasking capabilities. Featuring integrated graphics, this mini PC is efficient and space-saving, perfect for any workspace. Certified with CE standards, the AK-1 Plus is a trusted choice for businesses seeking high-performance, small-form computing solutions. Number 8. Nothing Watch Pro 2. The CMF Smart Watch Pro 2 is your all-round health companion, offering continuous heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and SpO2 measurement. With seamless syncing to Apple Health, Google Health Connect, and Strava, it provides comprehensive fitness insights. Enjoy Bluetooth calls with noise reduction and intuitive gesture controls for hands-free operation. The stylish 1.32-inch AMOLED display features customizable bezels and straps. With 120 sports modes and IP68 waterproofing, it's perfect for active lifestyles and everyday health tracking. Number 9. Gravastar Sirius P5. The Gravastar Sirius P5 Bluetooth earbuds are the ultimate gift for any dad, featuring interchangeable zinc alloy cases with unique, sci-fi-inspired designs. With 12mm dynamic drivers and Qualcomm aptX HD technology, they deliver immersive, clear sound with deep bass. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures a fast, stable connection with low latency for gaming and superior acoustics for music. Enjoy up to 40 hours of total listening time and a lightweight, comfortable fit with IPX4 waterproofing, perfect for outdoor activities. The added necklace feature makes these earbuds versatile and stylish. Number 10. Foldable Keyboard Royal Kluge. The foldable mechanical keyboard 60% is a game-changer in portability and performance, featuring mechanical red switches for a smooth, quiet, and accurate typing experience. Its reinforced but thin aluminum body offers both stability and a premium feel. The built-in stand holder adjusts easily to provide the perfect screen angle for your devices and magnetically attaches to the keyboard. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, it supports up to 3 devices and can also switch to wired mode with included USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. Number 11. Hagibis LED Display USB-C Adapter 240W. The Hagibis 240W LED Display USB 4 adapter is the ultimate charging and data transfer solution. With real-time display of charging power, current, and voltage, you can monitor device status at a glance. It supports 240W fast charging with PD 3.1 while being compatible with lower power devices. Offering 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, it lets you move large files in seconds. The adapter also supports 8K video output and dual 4K displays. Compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, including MacBook Pro, iPhone, iPad, and more, it's perfect for both charging and media sharing. Number 12. Anker Prime 250W Charger. The Anker Prime 250W desktop charger is a powerhouse featuring 4 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports to charge multiple devices simultaneously. With a 140W output from the first USB-C port, it powers up your 16-inch MacBook Pro to 50% in just 25 minutes. The 2.26-inch LCD display provides real-time charging feedback, while the Smart Control dial allows for personalized energy output adjustments. Compatible with the Anker app for IoT capabilities, this charger ensures optimal charging speed for all your devices. Number 13. Ajaz AKP815 Mechanical Keyboard. The AKP815 is a revolutionary keyboard blending low-profile mechanical keys with a 4.33-foot LCD touchscreen for seamless control. With 15 customizable buttons and vibrant RGB lighting, it enhances both work and gaming environments. Its ultra-thin design features Wano mechanical switches and sleek keycaps for minimal power consumption and maximum comfort. The touchscreen serves as a desktop control center, allowing personalized functions for websites, chats, and more. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.